The culture here at Reston is multifunctional collaboration.
The talent pool here is incredibly rich and incredibly unique.
So you have this great intersection of all of our market areas: engineering, robotics. You have our head of contracting, head of legal. You have our business winning director here.
We've got our strategy team here. We've got technicians here on the cyber side. We have people from autonomy, and we're all sort of mixed in the same bowl.
To me, it's about establishing a vision, inspiring a team, but ultimately listening and respecting people for who they are and what they bring every day into the workplace.
The work that I'm most proud of being done here at Reston is the reach that this team has near the seat of power.
We have a pretty wide variety of work we do in the Reston office. So we have hardware integration engineers here, electrical integration engineers, and software integration. So we all work together collaboratively, as well as with other campuses like St. Pete and Cambridge.
So here's another thing I want to talk about. Let's talk about the people. You know, you probably see the smile on my face and my warmth in my heart. You know, today we hosted a chili cook-off, which is just embodies, right? It's the fall. It's kind of getting chilly outside, literally, ha ha ha. No pun intended. Actually, that pun was intended.
This is our third chili cook-off. I love the morale functions. I love to do it here. I think it brings everybody together and it makes us more a family.
Well, we've got a great chili cook-off going on right now. There isn't a one of these over here that isn't really, really good. But I think number 2 has the edge right now. I think number 2 is winning. So,
did you make number 2?
But of course I made number 2.
Probably one of the most key aspects of our contribution to the national security space is we deliver innovation unafraid.
Understanding what our men and women are experiencing on the edge is crucial to understanding what it is that we need to provide to them to win. Microelectronics are really the future of warfighting, is something I think Draper grasped way earlier on than a lot of other organizations that work in this field.
So I like to live my life in a way that when I'm gone, that I'm gonna leave a bigger impact, and Draper embodies that. And it feels really amazing to be a little piece of it.
I think that there's very few organizations that can have the impact and the mission that Draper has.
The bottom line, what excites me the most is I don't know where the future is going, but I know Draper is going to be a key part of it.